In this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 secret weapons I use when DJing live that'll improve your mixes with almost no effort. This is by far my favorite DJ effect, and I always use it when transitioning and mixing. It just makes your transitions sound a lot more smoother because of that echo tail effect you hear when you cut off the previous song. But the best way to use echo for me is through drop mixing. Drop mixing is done when you simply stop the previous song and scratch or cue play the next song in. So when you use this technique with echo, everything just sounds more seamless and better. When I DJ festival sets, there's only so much you can do besides clap and dance to get the audience going when an EDM build-up is building up. So one way to get more involved with your music is through using the noise color effects, which every Pioneer DJ controller has. So here's how to activate this feature in Rekordbox DJ. So go to Settings, then scroll down until you see Effect Panel, and there select Beat Effects plus Sound Color Effects. Then close this tab, and on the top left section, select the one dot selection, select User, and select Noise. Then bring the parameter knob to the 1 o'clock position. For Serato users, it's a bit more complicated. First, you have to download the sample pack link down below, load it to a blank deck, reduce the filter knob, balance the volume, activate an echo effect, trigger the sample during the build-up, and turn the filter and effect parameter knob clockwise. Now before we move on to number 3, which is my favorite secret weapon, let me just say that if you guys want to get more involved and more in depth with these DJ tricks and more, download my secret weapons course pack link down below and use coupon code SECRETS to get a huge discount on it. Anyway, let's now move on. It's normal for DJs to make mistakes when mixing, like either mixing too early or too late in a mix. But one way you can correct your error on the fly is by using beat jump. So here's how you can access and use beat jump on Rekordbox DJ. And here's how you can access and use beat jump on Serato. To enable your beat jump controls, go to Settings and select Show Beat Jump Controls. And now we're ready to do this technique. And that's it. Let me know which secret weapon was your favorite and why, and with that said, I will see you all in the next one.